Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing another skeleton from the dungeon series. So this time it's a skeleton with a bow. This is the first stencil with gray tone, so I use the white with less opacity, so it's like 50% white, so it appears gray. Colors, as always, black and gray as opaque colors, and the rest are transparent. Now this is the full white. And as you can see, you have like a cool, high detailed skeleton. I'm now doing some light brown, which is like 90% yellow and 10% purple. And now I'm adding magenta. So the brown gets a little bit darker. Now I'm covering the whole stuff, and I'm doing a quick background. So this is like a piece of paper that I torn to get like a not even edge there. And for the colors I'm using green and yellow as transparent. So I'm starting with the yellow, and then I'm mixing the green into this. So now I'm changing back to white. I'm doing some dots and spots for like sparks or stars. Doing a little bit of white on the horizon, highlighter on the head, and I'm doing some black for the shadow on the feet. And now I'm changing back to white, and I'm doing the highlight stencil, so I'm doing some more of the highlights, but not the full stencil, just some few parts. And finally some stars, and then the picture is ready. If you like my design, you can subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up if you like it. There are over 800 videos there, and see you soon. Bye.